Hi, boys and girls. We are ready for sort 22 of syllables and affixes. And you are actually going to need 5 different colors to highlight. You can use a crayon, you can use your markers, different highlighters, but you are going to need 5. I'm going to teach this lesson a bit different from what we're used to because I built your test on 5 separate categories. So what you see here in front of you are your words. And I filled in some headers for you that I am going to need you to write in pencil as we start highlighting. So basically, we are listening for the oi sound or the ow sound. Oi, O-I, O-Y, or the ow sound, O-U or O-W. The other words that don't fit the oi or the ow are going to be our oddballs. So I want you to pick one color, and we are going to start up here where it says first. The first color I am picking is pink. So in this category, we have 3, 4, 5 different words that are going to help us listen for the oi sound spelled with an O-I, oi. So the first word I want you to find in your sort is the word moisture. If there's a lot of moisture outside, it's very wet. So we have that O-I sound. That belongs in the oi, O-I category. The next word that we have in that category is avoid. If you are avoiding something, you don't want to do it, you don't want to be around it, that's the O-I, avoid. The next word we have in that category is poison. Poison is not good for our bodies. A lot of chemicals have poison in them, and if we ingest them, we need to call a doctor. Poison, oi. You hear that oi sound. The next word that we have is noisy. If it's really noisy in the classroom, it is so difficult to focus. So we have noisy, that oi sound, O-I category. And the last word that we have for oi with O-I is appoint. We appointed our student senators by voting, appoint. So those words belong in the oi category, O-I. So I'm going to pick another color and I'm going to highlight the word underneath that's in bolds, and I want you to write O-Y in the box with voyage. I'm picking my second color, so I'm going to use blue. Oi, O-Y, voyage. There are only 3 words that belong in this category that have that oi sound with an O-Y. So the first word that we can find is annoy. Annoy. Sometimes you have a younger sibling and they just annoy you. Annoy. The next word we have is employ. If you employ somebody, you are giving them a job. Employ. Oi sound with O-Y. The next word we can put in this other category of oi with O-Y is loyal. If you are a loyal friend, oi, you are good at keeping secret information. You are kind and caring, you are loyal to the friendship. So those are our oi sounds. We're going to switch over to the ow sounds that are either OU or OW. So I'm going to pick my third color. I'm going to pick orange for mine. And I'm going to highlight that box, announce. Announce. You hear OW, but it's spelled O-U, announce. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words in this category that have the ow sound spelled with O-U. So the first one that we have is amount. The amount of money that we have. Amount is going to go in that category. Amount. The next word underneath that I have is thousand. I have 1,000 cookies. Thou, ow, thousand. O-U sound. Then we also have the word county. What county do we live in? Lancaster County. Ow sound spelled with an OU. Oops, I highlighted the end. The OU. County. Ow sound. The next word we have is around. Around. Ow sound with OU. Around. Please walk around the table. The next word that we have is right next door, about. Tell me something special about yourself. About, that ow sound. And the last word for this category, the ow sound with OU, is the word counter. Please put your lunchbox on the counter. Ow sound. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pick a new color and stick with that ow sound, but I'm looking for words that are spelled with OW, like drowsy. How many of you have felt tired before and felt very drowsy? Ow sound. The two words that belong in this category are coward, ow, coward, and we have the word allow, allow, giving someone permission to allow them to do something. Now, what I noticed is that I actually left a word out. If I look here at the word destroy, destroy, I hear an oi sound. And if I determine if that's OI or OY, I'm hoping that you're seeing destroy, OY. That really belongs with my voyage category. That's one that we missed. So I'm going to fill that in the right color. Oi. That would be in my blue category. I missed that one. Now, if I look at the rest of the words left in this sort, country, trouble, double, southern, double, trouble, county. These are very interesting words. I'm thinking that trouble has a UGH sound. Trouble. That's going to be my oddball. Trouble. 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 I'm going to fill that in my last color, green. Same thing with country. Where do we live in this country? Country. It's not an ow or an oi sound. Country. That's my oddball color. Same thing with the word double. Double. That's not oi. That's not ow. That's got some weird stuff going on. And my last word, southern. Is not oi or ow. So that's going to be my last oddball color. So eventually your sort's going to look like this. We have our first color, oi, OI. We have our second color, oi, OY. We have our next color, ow sound with OU. We have another ow sound spelled OW, and then our oddball color that does not fit. So your test is going to look like this. 15 words, sorting them with oi, ow, and oddball. So double check your sort, make sure that the colors match, and you can start cutting and sorting for your first practice. If you have any questions, raise your hand, and I will see you next week for your test. Good luck.